WordPress is packed full of features, but it's unlikely to have everything you're going to need right out of the box. This is where plugins come in. Think of them as small pieces of software that plug into WordPress and perform all sorts of tasks on your website. Plugins get quite a bad rap, but they are literally the best thing about WordPress. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly Sparks, and today I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress plugin on your website. There are over 50,000 WordPress plugins, so if you can think of something for your website to do, there will be a plugin that can help you to achieve it. However, one thing that all websites need is SEO help. So in this video, I'm going to install the SEO plugin Yoast. So the first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, and then go down to plugins here and click on add new. And then over here on the right, you've got a search. So I'm going to search for Yoast, but I could also search for SEO or backup or whatever type of plugin that you're looking for. Okay, so I found my plugin here. I literally click on install now and wait for that to install. And then once it's finished, I get this activate button. So I click on that. And there we go. I have installed a plugin, as easy as that. And once you've installed a plugin, you're probably going to see some extra things in your navigation menu here on the left or at the top here. So as you can see, I've got a little Y now for Yoast, and down here on the left, I've also got an extra menu item. So I can click on that and configure my Yoast plugin. I hope you've enjoyed this video and feel prepared to install a plugin now. Please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to be notified when my next video is live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.